first full day, and we've gone to downtown Disney, where we have a reservation at Splitsville. It's nice that they've got an area here for the kids to play and run around. They got live music going on. Great fun. Look at these two handsome men. Wow! That was quick! How did you get there? Andy said that's the original Disneyland hotel there, and it's a sorcerer's hat celebrating the 70th anniversary.
It was last year.
Last year? Oh, see, Pandy knows. And it's also... Wait, oh, monorail! Monorail! Oh. Oh. These girls do fantastic dancing. Well, it's like a show. It's like having our own show.
Lululemon.
Hooray! Woohoo! Amazing.
We're going to do rides tomorrow. Today
And this is where we have our 6:20 reservation.
Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking.
Daddy, she likes it.
Yay!
Woo!
Thank
you.
I got for hold on.
Wow. I'm doing
A video?
a video.
Here, let's see. This is the Yum Yum.
This is the ninja roll.
The Ninja Roll.
This is a salad that can feed Ethiopia.
You're welcome.
Woo. Oh, look at that tap house. Wow.
You see this bar?
I know.
That looks cool, that bar. Oh, on the fire pit. Yeah. They got some nice things going on here, haven't they? We had a really nice time at Splitsville. Really nice food, wasn't it? Nice food and drinks. Yeah. Your pizza?
It was nice, but I wouldn't have it again.
No?
Apart from breakfast tomorrow and breakfast on Tuesday.
Yeah. I really enjoyed mine. It was lovely. Really nice. But I only ate a quarter of it. I've got the rest to have for breakfast and dinner tomorrow. At this place.
Sweatshirt?
Oh, we do.
World of Disney.
Oh, we do. We do.
Don't use sweatshirts, we got Naples like. I'm not Bellini. If the kids get caught, I have no choice.
Oh, I forgot this was Disney. They bound to have World of Disney here, do they?
Right at the end, I just saw it.
Oh, right. Yay! Yay, boys! Yay! We can remortgage the house if we need to.
Well, again, I get a discount, though.
Yes, yeah, your discount is like 95%, yeah?
And Addison goes, Starbucks. Talk about
Yay! Where? Oh yeah, Denise. To your left, is that the people mover?
No, that would be a tram probably to the
Oh, to the car park.
Parking lot.
Right,
or if you want the park.
right.
We want to walk through World of Disney.
Yes, of course we do. Woohoo!
Big, beautiful tomorrow.
It's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Hi. It's great wind.
Kylie's found something she likes.
Yeah.
She's
Oh,
playing with
cars. She likes cars at the moment.
She's playing with them in the
Yeah, she was.
in the pool today.
Yeah.
Kylie, let's get in. Kylie, we're gonna do more shots. I'm not gonna be able to get that on the plate.
We're gonna go to the
My bags are full.
Okay.
We're gonna do more shopping.
Ken, you know we need white hats with Anaheim and the year written on them, yeah?
Oh, I'll find that.
Yeah. Oh, they look cool.
Yeah.
Oh, you found the hats, all right. You found like loads of hats. Wow. Oh. Oh, I love it, Kylie. That's brilliant. It's just your size too. You okay, Addison? You getting tired? I think I might change my my 10 minutes to 30.
Oh,
Yeah, it's going. Turn right. You turn.
They haven't got any with the year on, like we bought in. That's cute. I like that. They haven't got any Anaheim specific ones, have they?
they have
Like-
Disneyland.
Oh. Oh.
Does
have anything
else on it? No.
That's cute.
That is cute.
That is cute. How much is it?
Kylie?
$32.99.
Kylie? Oh, Kylie, pick this one up for Chris.
Good.
That one down there.
He's going, no. He's going, yeah. Oh, look at that.
Characters.
You're a princess. A unicorn princess. I quite like that one because I like the colour. We have to buy both. We do this one.
Kylie, I love that. It's gorgeous.
Oh.
Kylie, tomorrow. Hold on a second, because you've already got your Minnie Mouse from Alana.
It's like small is good, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, they had some lovely bluey stuff back there. Some really cute blue stuff.
Can you use your phone to get back? I have to give
I
her
mean,
a
it's
phone.
fine.
Of
I
course.
mean, it's fine. We know where to go if you
Of course.
how to get
Yeah.
out of here. Kylie here, honey.
Oh, and that's cute, Baymax. And they got the hats. And everything is just so. I love it. I love it.
Okay, so these keys, you can buy them, and then inside Disneyland, there's different keys throughout the park, and then they light up with different characters, and then at the end, you get like a special like a special charm, or there's a special prize inside of some kind. So you take these and you put them in each of the keyholes throughout the park. And then it eventually lights up, and then you get like some special prize or something.
Oh, we need one.
I think we need one.
Tomorrow, girls.
Oh my gosh, can
But
you...
look, regularly 60. Special value only 40. Handy.
Oh my gosh. We need one each.
I think we need one.
Yeah, I think we need one.
Can we get one of the keys?
I think...
Okay.
Can you imagine the girls though? They'd be saying, you put the key in last time. I
Sit back.
Well done, Kylie. Definitely.
No, not stop. Sit down.
Pushies. Oh no, Kylie.
Kylie, stop.
That's why they got plastic on the outside.
Kylie, stop.
Come on, Kylie. Come on. We gotta find the exit, babe. We gotta find the exit.
Yeah, let's get out. How do we get out?
Kylie, sit.
Good girl, Kylie. Well done.
Thank
We're in the
you.
room.
Thank you, Kylie.
Good job, girlie.
Well, the Kylie.
Oh my God.
Sugar her up too much.
We shake her like a pop bottle and
I knew
then...
we should have given that ice cream with sprinkles and chocolate sauce.
Oh, so funny. Well, it is for us. Oh, see, they got so many things. So many things.
I need that.
Oh, that's cute.
Where am I?
I need that.
That looks big.
I'm sorry, and it's happening now.
Sit back here, don't fall out. Sit back here.
Let me hold
I'm
it.
like, I need that.
Yeah.
Breathe, please breathe.
I'm like, I need that.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
I'd say one side. Wait. Woohoo! Right, that one goes on this one. That one goes on this one.
I'm static. Wait, hold on. Oh, this is cute.
Oh, that looks really good. That looks really great.
Is it still too big, or are we good?
I would try the next. Don't forget your top one again. Size small. Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna be extra small now.
That's
It's
not
going-
possible. They're making clothes
They're
bigger
going-
these days.
Lucky you,
I've got my
Shabby.
entourage over here.
Oh wow. Good job, man. Right.
Oh, good job.
That was fun.
Oh. Right. So really? Is that marked it wrong?
This is.
Oh.
It was on a large hanger. They jinxed us.
Yeah.
That large?
This one's a large.
On a medium.
Yep.
Right. I'm just splitting. Yeah, always check
Right.
the label.
Always check the label.
Always
itself.
check the label. I love that one.
That
Oh
does
wow.
seem like it fits
I
better.
think we take it, yeah, so your top one needs to
That looks
Right.
lovely.
Okay, look.
I knew we would matchy match.
Oh my gosh, definitely.
Say there.
Yeah.
Say there. Turn around the back. At least you can see them.
Oh, Tink. Oh, brilliant.
My girl.
That's the end of the video tonight. Thank you very much for joining us from downtown Disney in Los Angeles. Good night.